Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to stop ads on Android phones. Open settings on your Android device, then go to apps and notifications. Tap on advanced, then select special app access. Tap on display over other apps. Now you will see a list of apps that have permission to display ads over other apps. Look for suspicious apps or those you don't recall installing. Just tap the app name to turn off, toggle the allow display over other apps. If you identify an app that's constantly causing pop-ups and unnecessary ads, go to Settings, App, find the suspicious app, then tap Uni's tail to remove it. By following these steps, you can stop ads on your Android's phone overall experience. And that's it, guys. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.